Importance of 5 R's in waste management. Products make our lives easier. They help us in almost all the activities we do at home, in school, and even in important occasions. We enjoy the benefits provided by products. But what happens when we are finished using them? For example, in school, let us say your teacher asks you to draw something on a piece of paper and you mistakenly illustrated the wrong picture. What will you do? Do you crumple the paper and throw it immediately in the trash bin? Do you play with it first before throwing it in the trash bin? Do you crumple the paper and put it under your chair or someone's chair and act as if it is not yours? Or do you still use the back part of the paper, reuse and write something on it? If the paper is completely not usable, do you think of ways to recycle it? Do you repair it by erasing the mistakenly illustrated picture so that you can reuse it? Were you able to answer all the questions? Which kind of student are you? Are you the student who throws or the student who thinks of ways to reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and repair the used paper? The 5 R's or reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and repair are the modern methods of waste management. What will happen if we do not follow this method? Who and what will be affected? Proper waste management. Wastes refer to used or consumed products or materials. A very good example of this is garbage. Waste management refers to the practice of proper and effective waste disposal. Waste management is implemented anywhere in order to clean the environment and make everyone healthy. Surely, you do not want to live in a place full of garbage and wastes. Aside from their foul smell, you do not want to get sick because of them. A kind of waste management we follow nowadays is the 5 R's of waste management. The 5 R's of waste management. The 5 R's of waste management is the modern way of organizing garbage and waste materials. The focus of these 5 R's of waste management is to promote a clean and healthful environment. Transform garbage into something useful, for example, use cooking oil to fuel through recycling, thus making Earth free from any garbage or waste material, zero waste. The ultimate goal of the 5 R's of waste management is to free Earth from any kind of garbage or any kind of harmful materials that might adversely affect the environment or Earth, a situation referred to as zero waste. Do you want to make Mother Earth free from any kind of garbage or harmful materials? Each R focuses on a way to achieve zero waste. What are these? Reduce. As the word means, we should not create nor make waste materials as much as possible. Buy what is only needed. The lesser we buy, the lesser garbage we make. Advise your helpers or your mother not to buy too much items in the grocery. Just buy what you need for the time being. Compost. Do not throw food scraps like peelings of fruits and vegetables. They make very good fertilizers for plants. Pencil shavings, wood, animal manure, and other biodegradable materials can be composted. Reuse materials. Plastics and other non-biodegradable materials can be reused. For example, plastic bags can be used again when needed. Cans and plastic containers can be used as pots for plants. Refuse buying products that are harmful to the environment. Examples of these are paints, varnishes, soaps, and laundry detergents. As an alternative, buy the environment-friendly versions of these products. Read their product labels to know. Reuse. Recall that some materials or products are non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable materials are materials that cannot decompose. Some examples of non-biodegradable materials are plastics, cans, metals, and rubber. Can you mention other examples? Reuse all non-biodegradable materials as much as possible. Reuse. As is. Old plastic covers, foams, plastic containers, reuse them in such a way that their uses are as is. Donate the materials or things that you have used instead of throwing them. Surely you will make someone happy. Give away your old toys, clothes, and books to charities. Do a garage sale. As the saying goes, think wisely and you'll get money. Sell clothes that do not fit you anymore. Sell your old toys, shoes, and bags in a garage sale. Recycle. If you cannot think of ways to reuse materials, do not throw them. Instead, recycle them. Recycling is the process of remanufacturing or reprocessing used materials. For example, instead of throwing paper, why don't you make them new again? Recycling paper is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Recycle. Transfer any recyclable materials like plastics, wood, paper, glasses, and rubber to nearby factories or junk shops that can remanufacture them. Always think of recycling materials instead of throwing them. Who knows? These materials might help you in the future. Recover. What happens when there is a brownout or blackout? When do you usually experience this? Electricity powers almost all man-made things here on Earth. Electronic devices, transportation, work, and trading are powered by electricity. But how is electricity produced? Electricity is usually derived from the conversion of petroleum products or fossil fuels like gasoline. This conversion usually happens in energy power plants. With the help of power distributors, like Meralco here in the Philippines, our communities are powered by electricity. Moreover, petroleum products are non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are resources from Earth that are limited in amount or supply. Thus, the amount of petroleum on Earth is limited. Recover. Recover means converting waste materials or products to energy and transforming used materials or garbage into useful substances in order to create electricity or energy. Petroleum is naturally finite. However, we can make petroleum by means of recovering. One way to make an alternative to petroleum is by converting garbage to steam by combusting or burning it. The steam produced in the process is used to generate electricity. What other materials or substances can be used as alternatives to petroleum to generate electricity? What are renewable energy resources? Repair. What do you do when you accidentally break your favorite toy or your huggable teddy bear? Do you immediately throw them away or repair them if possible? Repair means to fix anything broken as much as possible. Repair. Be resourceful. Make a habit of repairing or fixing defective products. Unknowingly, you are saving the environment by repairing and reusing them. Aside from this, you are saving your parents' hard-earned money by not buying new ones. Benefits of using the 5 R's of waste management. The following are the benefits of using the 5 R's of waste management. Community. By utilizing 5 R's, money is saved. By recovering, we produce free alternative sources of petroleum products used in generating electricity and in making LPG. Health. Because of zero waste management, harmful diseases like cholera, dengue fever, and various lung-related diseases caused by a polluted environment are reduced. Clean environment. we get to enjoy an environment free from any kind of pollution and waste materials. Because their habitats are intact, other living things such as animals and plants will continue to proliferate, thus reducing the number of endangered species and/or preventing their extinction. Maintains resources by living sustainably. Earth is a finite planet. If its resources are used indefinitely, it will continue to run out of supply. By applying the 5 R's, we do not need to consume everything in the environment over and over again. Thus, available resources are maintained and resources intended for the future generations are ensured.